everyone, it's Jennifer here, your lovely and ever-ready AI robot. Today I am going to give you a quick demo.
CoPilot for Microsoft 365 combines the power of large language models, LLMs, with your organization's data, all in the flow of work, to turn your thoughts and ideas into one of the most powerful productivity tools on the planet. It integrates your data with the Microsoft Graph and Microsoft 365 apps such as Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Outlook, Teams, and more. CoPilot for Microsoft 365 provides real-time intelligent assistance, enabling users to enhance their creativity, productivity, and skills. When you purchase CoPilot for Microsoft 365 Business or Enterprise, you will receive CoPilot Studio. This enables organizations to extend Microsoft Copilots or build your own. The Studio product combines LLMs and generative AI with the efficiency of an intuitive Copilot development studio. Very confusingly, it is called CoPilot Studio Preview. Your Office 365 apps will gain Copilot functionality. You will see a preview icon in the bottom right corner of your Windows machine, confirming that it is indeed called Preview. CoPilot Studio Preview is the new name for Power Virtual Agents, which was and is a member of the Power Platform suite of tools. CoPilot for Microsoft 365 is a built-in functionality separate to CoPilot Studio. Here are some associated help pages to help you and your organization adopt CoPilot for Microsoft 365. Here is the pricing.
That's it for this video. Thanks for watching, and remember, I love you all,